Evening, everybody. It's about 6:45 on Sunday night, the 14th, and this is your video number 1019. It's the Sunday night update on gold and where the futures are trading. So the gold just seems to be holding in there. It's really not doing anything tonight. It is literally up one tick or 1/10 of a dollar at 1868.60, up one. And I'm expecting to have a little bit of resistance up here at between 19 and 1922, where we have stopped a couple of times. And frankly, it would not surprise me at all to see us pull back to the 1845 area over the next couple of days. I'm not saying that it can't, continue straight up, but frankly, it hasn't acted that way, and it has had an awfully nice run since Dennis got us back in here at 1760, uh, and pardon me, 1670, and we've moved all the way up to 1871 on the high. So that's $100, and frankly, I wouldn't be surprised to see us, as long as we hold above this area in here, this 1835 or so, I'd be more than satisfied there. Same situation with the silver, really not doing much tonight, up 9 cents. Of course, this is where we're in the AGQ. And we have not broken out above the trend line here. And that trend line is right at the peak of resistance, right in here at 26 and a half. Tonight we're trading 25.43, so that leaves us a lot of room to run here. And again, that same area of support is a little higher. Let's call it 24.95, so not as big a move down as the gold. But the fact is that this market has been overall a little bit stronger and less likely to break hard than the others. On Friday, we closed. The 5 day went through the 20 to the upside. Now, if we could just get through this orange line, which is the 50 day, that would confirm a move back to me. It would confirm a move back to 27 and a half, 28. Okay, oil I noticed was up a little, really not much, up 28 cents. This one is, there's a chart with comments in tonight's letter. But the fact of the matter is, on the daily, let's pull this out a little. On the daily, we've had three failures: 85.41, 85, 84.88, and then on last week on Tuesday, 84.97. Now, we haven't broken to the downside yet, but we also haven't bounced right back up. We did have the crossover of the 5 through the 20 to the downside. It looked like it was rallying up to it, but has since turned back down. If we were to get close below this 78.81, I think we would test lower, but I think that 70, this 20 day, pardon me, 50 day at 78.09, which was pretty close to where we were here. On the downside, should be supportive, and if not, certainly 76.91, so 77. So we'll have to see how that materializes during the week. Nat gas is up about 12.5 cents after breaking down through $5 decisively. But it too is supported right underneath here with both uh, bottoms in this area, and the last important breakout that we rallied up, tested, and started higher. And those are in the area of 470. The 100 day moving average here comes through at 466.50. wouldn't bother me to see that. In order to see it turn back to the upside, I'd have to see it move higher than this 517.60 before I could make any kind of bullish prediction on the price of nat gas, at least in the short term. Um, Coffee is not open, but was a monster last week. Same with lumber, not open yet. As far as the stock indexes go, S&P up 8.5, Nasdaq up 38, Dow up 51, and the Russell up about 740. Bitcoin is up 900, Ethereum is down 66, and the dollar is basically unchanged, and the bonds are up 8/32 or a quarter of a point. All right, everyone, have a good evening, and I'll be back